Good morning. We're at a gas station. We're getting gas.
What the? Why do you do this to me?
Because I'm rotten.
You are rotten.
I'm rotten to the
I
core.
thought you're on the phone.
We've been at Jonathan Dickinson State Park on the east coast of Florida for the past 3 days. We met up with some friends there, had a wonderful time, did not film. Because as you know, sometimes when we're with people, we just like to enjoy their company and not bother with a camera in everyone's face. We had both...
That and we look like we're like, I don't know, gluttons.
Oh, we had both camp ovens out because they have a camp oven too, and we made pizzas in both ovens, and it was delicious. Bob's famous pizza.
Bob pizza's about that thick.
Oh, so good.
But she made quiches for dinner.
The second night,
and
yeah.
the second one, the crustless one?
The crustless quiche really was
It was
on
like
point.
2.5 inches thick.
Yeah.
So it was a good time, but we're heading to some place that I haven't been for, well, it was last year we were here, but I really like Cypress, Big Cypress National Preserve.
Yeah, so it's about a 3-hour drive from here. We're filling up, and we just got some groceries, and we are headed down that way today. It's a beautiful day.
A lot of gators down there.
Yes.
I like gators.
We gotta keep a good watch on this girl.
Gators like Pistol. Yes, gators like you.
Who doesn't like her? Yep, alright, let's hit the road.
I gotta finish filling the tank.
Yeah, I mean, don't drive off with the hose in our van. That's not what I mean. Made it to Monument Lake Campground. They are full up. So we talked to the camp host here and said the alligators are hungry, so keep track of little Pistol.
I think you said 6 or 8 of them in the lake right now.
Yeah.
So yeah, keep your pets away from the water.
We know the drill.
We can't get rid of it if we try, huh?
No. All right, let's find our spot.
You notice they have all these big alligator warning signs, and then right on the same post they have a no swimming sign.
Yeah.
It makes me sad.
Makes you sad that that's needed.
That's needed. I guess that's the only way we can continue to survive as a species.
Gotta follow the signs.
Yeah, so these are all different this year.
Yeah, they made some improvements here. They have showers in the bathrooms now, and they've improved these sites. So yeah, let's get situated. And we are both hungry, so we bought the stuff to make a schnitzel, because if you saw the video with Martin and Nellie, they made schnitzel for us and we were inspired, so we wanted to try and make it. We were gonna make it with our friends that we just saw at Jonathan Dickinson, but we had all this other food, so we didn't get to it. So today we're going to make schnitzel. Try anyway.
Here's us.
All right, here we are. Let's get set up. It's schnitzel time, baby.
It's schnitzel time,
How are
baby.
things going? Oh, oh wow.
I don't mess around.
You're going to town.
I'm using your weights.
That's okay. Yeah, good. Okay, here's where the magic starts. Dave has pounded these flat. We have flour with salt and pepper. We have egg. And we have breadcrumbs.
Turtle back, you can't get up. Oh, pistol.
Oh boy. It looks right. I have no idea how long.
Not
I
long.
guess till it's crispy looking, give it a flip. Wow. Sorry about the wind. It's crazy windy right now. Of course, right when we're trying to like fry something.
Is it done?
Oh, I can't see how it couldn't be.
How's that?
Oh my gosh. Did you lemon it?
Oh,
You
forgot
gotta
the
do this legit, you know?
Forget the rules.
Yeah. How did we do? I'm really excited.
Oh,
This looks juicy, crispy, and delicious.
the wind is blowing my spinach away.
Yummy.
Need some gravy?
I don't. It just tastes so juicy. I mean, I would eat it with gravy. Don't get me wrong.
Like a chicken fried steak one with pork. The sausage gravy.
I'm glad we tried it again. It's really good. I hope Martin and Ellie see this and they approve.
We learn about when we make food and I taste it, I gotta do it right here.
Yeah. It has come to our attention that every time he tastes food, you gotta hold the finger up while you chew. That is so good. You gotta say it. We were visiting our friends and they mentioned that he's a really enthusiastic taste tester and he goes through the routine of the chewing and the finger and that is really good. And you're always surprised by how good it is. I, on the other hand, not funny. What's next on our agenda? Do we have an agenda? You might do some fishing in the canal.
I wouldn't mind try fishing in the canal. Tomorrow I'm gonna go run along the canal, check it out. Lots of alligators along there.
All right, we'll catch you down the road. Carry on.
Carry on.